Hi everyone. In the last video, I told you that we are going to build a bot like this, where we say what are your services, and the bot returns a response like this, which has multiple multiple information in something like cards. So in this video series, we're going to learn how to build this, and for this, we will cover three topics: basic card, adaptive card basics, and adaptive card advanced. In this particular video of the series, we'll first talk about basic card. Not really important for this bot, but it's important to understand this concept so that you can appreciate why you need the adaptive card later. So to give you a demo on this, uh, here is a bot that I have, and I have already created a topic. If you don't know basics of what Power Virtual Agent bot is, what are some basic concepts like topics and all that, let me know. I can make another video to go into those very basic concepts. For this video, I'm assuming that you already know those things so that we can directly talk about some intermediate to advanced concepts like cards, adaptive cards, and how to do some advanced things with that. So this video is not very advanced, but like you can say intermediate. So this is the bot. I'll just create a test topic here to show you how you can think about basic cards. So if you have done this before, you know that you can create a topic. I'll just put this topic as anything. Maybe I'll just say test topic. I'll put some phrases that calls this. I'll just say test basics, and that's it for now to call this. Now you know that you can call this topic in the bot. Now I will add a message, and in the message I will add something called basic card. That's what I've been talking about. So in this basic card, you can give information like title, subtitle, image, text, which is great. But the limitation of this is that you can have only one card in the response. So just with the basic card, you cannot really do what I showed in the demo, where you have multiple cards coming and which is reading from your list of services or list of data that you might have. But still, it's a good thing to know about so that you can appreciate adaptive card better. So for this basic card, I'll do some very basic things like put some title. I'll say um, um, our services, subtitle, we are expert in Power Platform technology. I'll skip the image. I can put some text here where I can say we provide one-on-one coaching and consulting services. I could have added a button to say contact me or something, but for now I'll just leave it as that and I'll save it. Okay, it has saved the topic. So now I can go to testing this and I can just say test basics. That's a catchphrase that we put here. And let's see what we get in the return. So as you can see, we have this title, our services. We are getting this subtitle text, which is coming from the text that I typed. It could have been a variable or something. But as you can see, since I typed a long thing, it's getting truncated. And basic card, as far as I know, doesn't let you put some additional things like wrap this text. And those are some things that I'll show you in the next video how you can do in the adaptive card. I did not put any image, but here's a text. And you can see that the text here, it wraps very well. So it shows basic services. I did not put the button. This is a decent enough, but still it doesn't give us what we really want, which is this kind of view. And but now since you know about basic cards, you'll really appreciate what I'm going to teach you in the next video about adaptive card. First, we will go into basics and then we'll go into some advanced concepts. So see you in the next video.